Looking for a versatile and mobile scissor lift that can handle your suspension, braking and tyre work? Well, look no further than the Steiner LT300S-MR. With its portable control box, this lift is incredibly flexible and can be easily moved around your workspace. But don't let its mobility fool you. It can still handle vehicles of up to 3,000 kgs with ease, raising them up to a comfortable working height of over a metre. What's more, the Steiner LT300S-MR is incredibly easy to use. Drive the vehicle onto the platform, place the heavy-duty rubber blocks under the correct lifting points, and you're good to lift. And with heavy-duty locks securing the platform in place, you can rest assured that your vehicle will be safe and stable while you work on it. But that's not all. The Steiner LT300S-MR also features drive-on drive-off ramps that can be locked in place, extending the platform length to over 2 meters and giving you the option to work on longer wheelbase vehicles. Perhaps the most innovative feature of the Steiner LT300S-MR though is its ability to add wheels to the unit for easy movement. No longer do you need a dedicated floor space for a hoist, simply add the wheels, load the platform and maneuver the lift wherever you need it. And don't forget, the Steiner LT300S-MR is designed and manufactured to meet CE standards, ensuring the highest levels of quality, durability and safety. Plus, with a 3-year warranty and a 100-day satisfaction promise, you can purchase with confidence knowing you're going to get a lift that's built to last. So, if you're looking for a mobile, versatile and easy to use scissor lift that can handle all your vehicle maintenance needs, the Steiner LT300S-MR is the perfect choice. So why wait? Order yours today and experience the ease and convenience of owning a Steiner.